Resilience engineering is becoming a focus point for project owners and metropolitan areas because climate change is impacting the infrastructure, their assets from a different variety of hazards, whether it's from floods, whether it's from wind, whether it's from extreme heat, and so on. As a result, we need to adapt our infrastructure and assets to climate resilience, which means these assets and infrastructure should come back quicker and faster after a natural or a man-made hazard event. Dewberry is involved in numerous large-scale resiliency engineering projects. We provide the full lifecycle services on these types of projects. Starting up in New York, we are the owner's rep for a $250 million coastal resiliency project where our multidisciplinary team is involved in reviewing numerous engineering, landscape architect, and other disciplines. Moving down to Virginia, we are also creating construction contract documents for a large-scale ecosystem restoration project in Virginia Beach. That project involves creating marsh terraces in Back Bay, where that project is going to reduce the flood risk from sea level rise. The third project is also in the south, in Florida, where we are developing 100% construction contract documents for tide gate and pump station. Dewberry, as a company, is investing in a lot of tools and techniques to advance climate resilience planning and engineering. One of the tools that we are actively using and testing is a three-way coupling modeling approach, which couples coastal processes with riverine processes and fluvial with storm sewer network. We have used this approach up in New York City. By using this approach, we can holistically see impacts of compound flooding, whether it's coincident from coastal storm surge and rainfall happening at the same time. This tool can also help us test the effectiveness of proposed solutions in reducing flood risk within the communities. Dewberry is addressing engineering challenges for clients by creating what we call as Resilience Design Studio. It's an innovative studio that Dewberry has formed and is implementing across the entire enterprise. The studio has thought leaders in different disciplines, from engineering to planning to landscape architects and so on. This studio is involved to understand clients' problem holistically, not through one dimension, and solve this problem so that way we can come up with solutions that integrate with the surrounding infrastructure and improve the quality of life for the residents and the communities.